Welcome, mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 10. It is all about being centered. Finding your center is essential during pregnancy, helping you to stay grounded, balanced, and connected. So hop into something comfy and let's begin this journey to our center together. We're going to start our practice today with box breathing. We'll begin by inhaling for 4 counts. And exhaling for 4 counts. Begin to ground. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. And exhale, let everything go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Flowing with the cycles of your breath, continue this style of breathing. Begin to ground. Notice how your body is feeling. Placing your hands on your belly, notice how your baby is feeling. Begin to connect with your baby. Maybe smile a little. We'll begin in a seated position, in seated reverse prayer. To get into this pose, bring your arms out to a T, flip your thumbs down, and bring the palms of your hands to touch behind you. If this is too challenging, you can also grab opposite elbows. Inhale, lengthen your spine and sit up straight. Exhale, relax deeply into this pose. As you hold this pose, connect deeply with your physical center to enhance your balance and strength. Embrace the sense of calmness within you. And feel your shoulders and heart open up. Exhale, release this pose and come into all fours. Tucking your toes now, begin to walk your glutes back and sit on your heels for Thunderbolt pose. You can bring your hands to prayer position, to your belly, or even on your knees. Feel the gentle stretch in each of your toes, the arch of your feet, and begin to feel them heat up. Coming back to all fours, place knees out wide, big toes to touch, and walk your hands forward for child's pose. If you'd like a deeper stretch, walk your elbows a few inches forward for puppy pose. To go even further, bring the palms of your hands in prayer position behind your neck. Breathe deeply and gently here. Remember to be mindful of the hormone relaxin in your body and not to overstretch. As we're connecting with our center, we're also connecting and listening to our body and what it needs. As you exhale, walk your hands down and come back into child's pose. Connect deeply with your breath here. Notice how your body is feeling. Inhale, come back up into all fours. We're going to start with some hip circles. Walk your hands a couple inches forward and begin to move your hips and pelvis in a circular motion. When you're ready, change directions. Find grounding and stability as you shift your weight in a circle. Coming back up into center, begin to walk your hands forward again. Coming into pigeon pose. Right knee behind right wrist. Extend your left leg out behind you long. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Square your hips and your shoulders. Exhale, walk your hands forward. You can keep your hands planted on your mat or begin to walk down onto your forearms. Breathe deeply in this pose. Feel your hips and your pelvis open up. Let your thoughts settle and begin to center your mind. You can even focus on something that you're grateful for. Inhale, walk your hands back up, coming into all fours. You can even do some ankle circles here to loosen your ankles. Walk your hands out again, switching sides for pigeon pose. Left knee behind left wrist, extending your right leg out behind you long. Inhale, square your hips, square your shoulders, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold over your front leg. Be mindful of your belly, and if you need more space, put a bolster or block beneath you. Inhale, walk your hands back up. Coming into staff bent knees. Palms of your hands placed on the mat behind you. Soles of your feet on the mat in front of you. Engage your quads, engage your glutes. Distribute your weight evenly, and inhale, lift up off your mat. Reverse tabletop. Exhale, release. Coming into Shavasana twist. Extend your left leg out long. Bend your right knee, bring the sole of your right foot to your inner thigh, keeping your hips and belly squared to the front of the mat. Place your left hand on your inner thigh, right hand back behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, look over your right shoulder for a gentle twist. Inhale, come back to center. Fold over your front leg. Inhale, walk your hands back up, switching sides now for Janu Shashasana twist. Extending your right leg out long, bending your left leg, bringing the sole of your left foot to your inner thigh. Right hand to your inner thigh, left hand back behind you. Keeping your hips pointed forward, begin to open up your shoulders to the side, looking over your left shoulder. Inhale, lengthen your spine, as if a string is holding you up from the ground to the top of your head. Breathe in this gentle twist. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, walk your hands out in front of you to fold. Coming into our final resting pose, side-lying Shavasana. Bring a bolster or pillow between your knees, a blanket underneath your head. Get really comfortable here. This is a special time for you to connect with your body, your mind, and your baby. Letting everything go, begin to breathe naturally. When you're ready, keeping your eyes closed, begin to come up into a seated position. Notice how your body is feeling. Inhale, bring your hands in prayer position to your third eye. Namaste. Thank you, wonderful mamas, for joining me in this centering practice. If you enjoyed this session and felt the benefits, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future videos. You're not going to want to miss out on tomorrow's video. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How has centering yourself helped you during your pregnancy? Your insights can inspire and support our community of moms. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. Until tomorrow, stay centered, stay strong, and continue embracing the beautiful journey of motherhood. Namaste.